Hello and welcome to CS322 Music Programming Project Demonstration. My name is Yevgeny. I worked in a group with Fiacre and Fabian. So this is a Google Chrome browser I have open. I have one tab here, and this is another tab with the Spotify account open that I'll use later. So inside the Google Chrome extensions section, you can add the Spotify playlist enhancer by cloning the GitHub repository, doing npm build for the project, and then just adding it here through load unpacked. Quite simple. As you can see, the extension has a little icon here, the name, Spotify playlist enhancer, the version, details. So after you load, as you can see, the little icon appears in your browser here. When you press it, you get this UI, a nice looking background and buttons. So first of all, I'm gonna start with the Spotify account authorization. If I press it, I get a pop-up from official Spotify API where I press agree and my account is now authorized. Just to show you, I'm gonna open the console. As you can see, I use the auth2. I get the access token, which I can use for various API calls. I also get state just in case I need it. And straight away, I'm just extracting top 5 songs from my account straight away. So back to this. I'll talk about these two buttons later. Right now, I just want to go through these. If I get my top 5 tracks, you can see these are the tracks that were mentioned here. When I press the button, they appear now. So I have the top tracks from my actual Spotify account displayed in my extension. Now I can press the get recommended tracks, and it will the Spotify will actually recommend you the top 5 songs based on your top 5 tracks that you listen to. You can press it again, and it's just gonna keep generating new songs for you. Okay. If you press generate new playlist, it's gonna take all the songs that were just here and add it to a new playlist. I just call it CS322 inspired playlist. As you can see inside the UI of the extension, when you press the buttons, an actual Spotify, like the official Spotify playlist appears in here, and you can play the songs. Let's just pick any of the recommended songs. I've been everywhere, man, looking for someone. You can see you can play all these songs right there and right now inside the UI of the extension. Now let's go to the actual account. As you can see, the playlist has been added to my account here like 0 seconds ago. So just to show you that the API calls and the fetching of songs and everything is just connected to the actual Spotify account. So it's all connected to Spotify. Another interesting thing in this Spotify playlist, you have this button save to Spotify. Let me just show you here quickly. So this is the playlist I just created. If I press this button, this playlist just disappears. It's not here anymore. Right? So the good thing about this is that you can actually create playlists with the newly recommended songs by Spotify. You can listen to these songs, and if you like it or not, if you like it, you just keep it. It just stays in your account. If you don't like it, you can just remove it with this button. So it's very handy and easy to use. Now I want to go back to these two buttons. This button opens up a new page. This page we used as a team for Firebase. For example, we wanted to store like names, surnames, emails, your buyer, like basically your account information, and store it into Firebase. So we didn't decide what we're gonna use it for later. We just wanted to establish Firebase connection so we can use it later if we need it. Okay, and then the other button is not finished. However, this is gonna be really important page. This is gonna be a page where we actually manage our playlist. So the way you saw there, I generated a new playlist. I can add the playlist here, and I'll have a list of all the songs, and then I can just like drag the songs over to this side and then create another playlist. And you can decide the position, which songs come first and which song comes last. So basically this page is going to be the manager of your playlist, like to create the playlist the way you want it to be. Right now Spotify does not have this option. Let me show you. If you go to the playlist, you can't drag or anything. The songs or podcasts, they're all have like static positions. No. So this is going to be the future development of this project. We're going to be working a lot more on this page. This is a React page, by the way. Um, a lot more content is going to be added to this, and the functionality of dragging and dropping songs between playlists to create something, to create the perfect playlist that you need. So yeah, that's basically it. That's the whole project. Yeah, thank you very much.